How can I verify if the assigned fee amounts for each class are correct before collecting the fee on SchoolPad?
Thank you for your query, Pranav sir. I will show you the steps to verify this. Log in to your SchoolPad account and from the menu option look up. Search for assigned fee head values. From the associated options under the assigned fee head values, click on Fee Structure Report. Select the class for which you want to verify the assigned fee head amounts. And then click on the Print button. And here you have it. You have successfully generated a report which shows the fee head, fee cycle, the class along with the fee head amounts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.